वेलकम टू प्रिंस स्टूडेंट हाउस। स्टूडेंट्स, पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट चंडीगढ़ जो सीनियर स्केल स्टेनोग्राफर्स के लिए सिलेक्शन होना है, उनके सीपीटी के लिए आपको एडमिट कार्ड मिल चुके हैं। 6 मार्च एंड 13 मार्च को वो कंडक्ट किया जाएगा और उसी के रिगार्डिंग फिर जो स्टूडेंट 4% मार्क अचीव करते हैं, क्वालिफाई करते हैं, उनको स्किल टेस्ट के लिए बुलाया जाएगा। और मैं आपको डिक्टेट कर रहा हूँ 100 वर्ड्स ए मिनट लीगल जजमेंट, ओनली 530 वर्ड्स। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। The plaintiff is a public limited company which has filed the suit for a permanent injunction, infringement of trademark and copyright, passing off a rendition of accounts and delivery up in respect of the products manufactured by the defendant under the trademark Natraj and device of Natraj and the packaging material which is stated to be a colorable imitation of plaintiff's packing. Summons were issued in the suit and notice in the interim application, but the defendant has chosen not to appear to defend the suit. Interim orders were thus confirmed on 18th November 2005 and the defendant was proceeded ex parte. The plaintiff claimed to be well-established manufacturer of pencil and other items of stationery carrying on business since the year 1957. The plaintiff claims to have adopted the trademark Natraj in the year 1961 with the device of Natraj in respect of pencils and are the registered proprietor of 3 trademarks under Article 16. The certified copies of the registrations have been placed on record. The plaintiff claims to be having large scale and has been advertising through various mediums its products. The cartoon is made in a color combination of red and black colors, which is Exhibit P-6. The grievance of the plaintiff is that since the trademark and device of the plaintiff have become popular in view of the high quality of the products, the defendant started using the said trademark to take advantage of the goodwill and reputation of the plaintiff in respect of the same set of goods. The cartoon of the defendant has been placed on record as Exhibit P. The adoption of the mark and the packaging is stated to be dishonest, malafide, and tainted with the sole object to trade upon the goodwill and reputation of the plaintiff. Learned counsel for the plaintiff submits that the trademark of the plaintiff is well known within the meaning of Section 11 of the Trade Act 1999, and the cartoon of the plaintiff has distinctive artistic work which is protected under Section 2 subsection C of the Copyright Act 1957. Learned counsel submits that the plaintiff has the exclusive right to use the registered trademark in view of the catena of judgments, including in a National Bell Company versus Metal Goods Manufacturing Company. After some hearing, learned counsel for the plaintiff does not press the suit insofar as the get-up and cartoons are concerned and confines his relief to the trademark and the device. In my considered view, there can be no doubt that in view of the registration of the plaintiff's mark of Natraj and the device of Natraj, which is identified with the product of the plaintiff being slate pencils, the defendant does not have any right to use the said mark and device, and it is clearly an attempt on the part of the defendant to trade on the name of the plaintiff. In view of the aforesaid, a decree of permanent injunction is passed in favor of the plaintiff and against the defendant, restraining the defendant from manufacturing or offering for sale the slate pencils or any other stationery goods under the trademark Natraj and the device Natraj or any other डिसेप्टिवली सिमिलर ट्रेडमार्क। स्टूडेंट्स, मेरा प्रयास रहेगा कि आपको हर दिन 1 या 2 डिक्टेशन में लीगल अपने यूट्यूब चैनल से देता रहूं, और साथ ही मैं 1 या 2 दिन में आपको कुछ ऐसे डिक्टेशन भी दूंगा जिससे आपकी स्पीड इंक्रीज़ होगी। कैसे होगी, कैसे करनी है, ये मैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बताऊंगा। थैंक यू।